Hey, what's up YouTube? So in today's video I'm going to show you how I got these easy knotless braids using the crochet method. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So to achieve this look, I used 4.5 bundles of Afri Natural knotless braid hair in the color 1, and the hair comes pre-separated with tapered ends, so you really don't have to do much work other than to put the braids in. Now the reason why I decided to do this method that I got from J Mari, if you don't know who that is on YouTube, I'll check her out. She was the one where I got the idea from as well as the method from, so I'll link her down in the description box. To do this hairstyle, it took me about, I want to say about 8 or 9 hours. I deep conditioned it, and then I pre-parted my hair, and then braided it 1 inch and then twisted it, and then I added the air, only because I didn't want to have to keep getting up and turning around and looking in the mirror to braid my hair. It took about 6 or 7 hours just to do this, and at first I thought I wasn't going to like it, but I really love this hairstyle. It's so easy and simple and effortless. It gives me that Janae Aiko vibe, because you know she loves to wear box braids. So it's a really simple and affordable hairstyle. So for 1 pack of hair, it cost $5.99. I ended up buying 4 packs of hair, just because I thought I was gonna make these smaller, but then I realized I didn't want to spend my whole weekend doing my hair. So like I said, now I have extra hair left over in case I want to do this hairstyle again. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching, because I included a tutorial inside the video. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. So right here I'm just showing you guys how I part my hair and how I moisturize each section. I put the Shea Moisture leave-in in my hair, and then I use that argan oil to seal in the moisture, and then I use the jam at the roots of my hair. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid my hair at the root 1 inch down, and then I'm going to twist it the rest of the way. Between us, just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Wishing it from miles away. I said the things you said. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you. And this is what my hair looks like when it's all sectioned off and moisturized and parted, and now I'm ready to put in the braids. Ooh, and one thing I want to mention is if you're into doing your own hair, if you have a door that is in front of your medicine cabinet mirror, if you put a mirror on the back of that, that definitely helps with parting when it comes to doing your own hair. So now I'm just unraveling the twist. I'm not going to unravel the braid because I need that as an anchors for me to put the crochet needle in and add the hair in. And this is the hair that I'm using to braid into my hair. And I'm also going to link everything down in the description box as well. So this is what the sections look like, so you can see that they're pre-sectioned off. And they're also tapered at the ends. And I use 3 strands per braid all over my head. And here I'm just showing you how I hook in the hair through the crochet needle. And you guys, this hair is so easy to work with, and because the hair is pre-sectioned, it makes it easy to find where the middle is. And so I'm going to take 1 strand from the left and 1 strand from the right, so that I have 2 strands of the braiding hair per braid strand, so that it's even once I braid past my hair. And I really like this method because it gives you the knotless look without all the work that comes with doing knotless braids.
Braid? Braid? The nigga that got bodied by Pusha T? The nigga that hiding his kid from the world, but his world wanna hide from the kid? Aubrey Graham in a wheelchair? Braid? Yes! Y'all niggas better stop playing with me. Stop telling me like I ain't teach Drake everything he know. Hold on, you taught Drake everything he know. Y'all didn't hear Drake on his first song? I should be downtown whipping on the way to you. You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all. Despite the things you said to me.
On a rare occasion, you might get a few tangles, but it's easy to get out. I know in the past when I've had certain braiding hairs, you would get frustrated and then you just snag the hair and then you get a big ball of hair, but I don't have that problem with this hair.
I had to let go of us to show myself what I could do. And that just didn't sit right with you. Now you're trying to make me feel away on purpose. Now you're throwing it back in my face on purpose. Now you're talking down to my name on purpose. And you don't feel no way, no. You think I deserve it. Feel away, young nigga, feel away. I stop listening to things you say, 'cause you don't mean it anyway.
And finally, I'm just gonna dip the ends, and that's it. That's the last step, and then you're done with your braids. And by the way, I am 5'5", so this is how far down the braids hang on me. And this is just the close-up of the parting, and that's it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.